make it a team challenge here at work, and I know he's donating $10, and my Baltimore office is donating money. Kevin Hannington is sending money from Indiana, so all the money will be going to ALS. In return, I'd like to nominate Sean Robertson, Saxon Robertson, and Sage Robertson to do a family ALS ice bucket challenge with Mom being the dumper of the ice. All right, here we go.
Who gets to do the red?
Brad, you do the red bucket. Yeah. This one is for my money donation, and I'm donating the full $100. Yikers, even though.
Ready?
Do it! Okay, now Kevin. Oh shit, are you for Kevin?
I'm for Kevin and I'm following his instructions.
Kevin said to pour it slow. I said I'd do your review. Oh my God. Okay.
There's still some left.
She's done. Okay, who's next? This
The
one
big
is
one.
for all the people on my team. Jerry's not big enough to handle.
I baptize you, Sandy Brown, in the name of Baltimore.
Oh my God!
Oh, that feels good.
Oh my God, that one was cold. I think I have a nice cream headache. What? Oh.
I donate $10 and I challenge Kim Oswald.
Okay.
All right,
Last one.
this one's for Sarah and I'm going to challenge Kevin.
Thank you, Sarah. Woo!
She should be numb by now.
I think you can only challenge if you do it.
Thank you. Yay!